Right-click the network icon in the lower right corner to open Network and Internet settings. Firewall in the input field and open the firewall option. Click Enable or Disable, turn off all firewall options, and click OK. Click Change Adapter Options. If there are multiple network interface cards, right-click to disable the unused network interface card, only keep Ethernet, and right-click to open Ethernet properties. Click Configure, click Advanced, and select Connection Speed and Duplex Mode. Select 1.0 英镑 as for duplex and click OK. Then close IPv6, find the IPv6 option and check it, and make sure to save the settings.